Hi, my name is Brandon Baldwin from SUNY Canton Automotive. Today we're going to be doing a relative compression test on the Subaru Forester. It's got a hole in the block. I want to see which cylinder is the one that is causing the problems. So right first I want to show you where the hole in the block is, which is right there. We put the little piece of tape on there to indicate where the hole is. Then over here I took the fuel pump fuse out. The reason I took the fuel pump fuse out is because I wanted there to be no fuel injected into the system, which would then contaminate the catalytic converter. I also have our channel 1 leads here and here, so that way we're going to be using AC coupling to look for a change in voltage. Then here I have a low amp clamp. The low amp clamp is low enough, or the amperage draw on this is low enough that I can use a low amp clamp, or normally on bigger engines I could use the large amp clamp. And then over here I'm using this as my trigger. This is for cylinder number 1 because our firing order is 1324. So let's crank this over. Hear that change? Okay, so go back over to the Veris Pro. I'm going to pause it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back this up so we can capture our waveform. Oh, that looks really good. Okay, so what we've got on this channel, on channel 1, is we're using AC coupling because we're looking for a change. Yeah, it says 2 volts, but if you notice it starts out at 0. And so what happens here is that every time that the voltage goes down, like at this spot here, that's compression. On the reverse, right, because using Ohm's law, E equals IR, right there, that's current. And so therefore, right, this is compression, 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 compression. And look at here, right in that spot, no compression. And so therefore, right in that spot too, right, we have, it's coming, the voltage is staying high, which means again, no compression. Pretty nice, isn't it? So right here, our green line, right, that's our spark line. And so therefore, that's number 1. So therefore, right, using our firing order of 1, 3, 4, 2, here's 1, there's where 3 should be, 4 and 2. 1, there's where 3 should be, 4 and 2. So right there, we have no compression on cylinder number 3. Well, I hope that helps you to understand how a relative compression test works. And it can work on any vehicle that has compression, including compression ignition engines, diesels. So we would just use our reference as being an injection event instead, because that comes up on top dead center too. Well, thank you. Again, my name is Brandon Baldwin from SUNY Canton Automotive.